I want also to dedicate my life to Christ as a youth leader, and as like Paul, he dedicated himself to the Christianity, to serve Christ. Hi, this is Shanna, and this is the voice of Veritas. Year 2015, when I decided to explore or expound my knowledge or different religion from another one to another, like Baptist to born again Christian to another church from born again Christian. It's like because I'm finding answers to my questions. As you're always asking yourself, what is the purpose of life? Or what is the meaning of life to you as a youth? And then that's why I decided to explore different religions. There is difference from born again to the Catholic Church. There is a really big difference. In year 2019, when the last church that I've been attending was forcibly closed down, I decided to take a rest because I was so tired, I was so exhausted by finding those answers to my questions. And then one day, my mom asked me, do you want to serve to the church as a lecturer and commentator in the lecturer and commentator ministry? Then, out of curiosity, and I just said yes. Out of exhaustion, I said yes. Because I just really want to find some rest or peace at that time. Like St. Paul, God called him to serve him. And as like me, God uses my mother to call me and to serve him. And then years pass by. I met different people, different youth, different age range, and then I find peace that I didn't find from other church that I attended to, and that peace was so restful. Even though I'm still exhausted from the life outside the church, I'm still going on because I am serving Christ and I discovered Him. In year 2023, I was blessed to went to Lisbon and attend the World Youth Day for so many reasons. I was so blessed. And then I met different kind of people, different kind of youth, and different how they express their faith, I guess. And I was so touched by it. And I decided that I want to be like them. I want also to dedicate my life to Christ as a youth leader. And as like Paul, he dedicated himself to the Christianity, to serve Christ. It is not all about answering the questions that I have in my mind, but I already have the answer from the very beginning. God uses different people. God uses different kind of methods to call us to serve Him. And it is a blessing for us to call by Him. Let us be like Paul, who doesn't have any hesitations when he was called by God. Let us serve Him. And conversion is not all about from converting from one church to another, but it is all about discovering Christ from your life.
Thank you for watching. This is Shanna Haligdan for Radio Veritas Asia, the voice of Asian Christianity.